Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching one of the most exciting series, Zero to Hero series on building autonomous drone bot. Build, code, and fly. All right, guys. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you some important software we need to download from the internet, which is called Mission Planner. It's called a Autopilot Mission Planner. We will be using that particular open source software. It's absolutely free, and I will show you how to configure and set it up and stuff like that. But for now, we need to download and install in our machine, in our Windows machine. I'm using Windows. For those of you who are using Linux, you will have to figure out. Or I haven't tried on using on Linux the mission controller software. So probably there might be some ways to figure it out. If you want, I can make a separate video for that. But anyways, for this lesson, I'm using Windows operating system on my laptop. I'm going to download the Mission Planner software and show you how to set it up and how to configure. So what we need to do, let's open the browser. I hope you guys can see it. All right, so once you open up the browser, go to this particular link, ardupilot, ardupilot.org. You can just type ardupilot.org. You will get this home page, or you can click on the home page. On the home page, go to the navigation section at the left side, go to Mission Planner, click on Mission Planner. Okay, once you click, you will get another navigation section on the left hand side. If you can see carefully, go to installing Mission Planner for Windows. I think this supports only Windows at this point of time, not Linux. My apologies. Install Mission Planner, and these are the instructions to download. So the below instruction shows how to install Mission Planner on Windows and stuff like that. And then we need to just click yes, 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 and kind of thing. So let's go ahead and download the latest Mission Planner installer from here. I'm going to click, and it's going to open up a window like this. I'm going to save it on my desktop. It's a exe file, so you need to, you can save it on a C drive or D drive, but I'm going to save it on the desktop. Okay, then save it. And can you see on the left hand side, it says it's saving. It takes a couple of minutes. Just give me a second. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. Right, it's downloading. It's almost done. There you go. All right, now it's almost done. So what we will do, oops. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show my desktop. I hope you guys can see my desktop. So now this is where it got downloaded. I am going to double click now. Just double click. Let's see what happens. All right, preparing to install, and then you can see this kind of screen. Click on next, and then you might want to go through the terms and condition, which is a standard license agreement, and click on I accept, and then click next. And the path is, just make a note of this path, guys. It might be required for the future configuration. Let it be in a default path, that is your C drive program files. Click next. Ready to install Mission Planner. Looks powerful. Install. All right, this is going to take a while. It's going to take a couple of minutes. So you got to be really patient, guys. Those of you from Jetson Nano background, I'm sure you will have a lot of patience. So leave it as it is. It's going to take some time. It takes, I think, according to me, about 5-6 minutes easily. So okay, in the meantime, I'll just pause this video and come back to you as soon as the installation is complete. Interestingly, it's taking a while. I think it's almost done now. I hope you guys can see installing Mission Planner. It's almost done. You might get couple of pop-up message like this. Welcome to device driver. It asks for a device driver. Do not close this window, guys. So install the device driver. You can install it. Click next. Drivers are now installing. It's very important you install the Windows drivers, guys, because while when you are installing the Mission Planner, it will automatically ask you to install the device drivers as well. And then there is another window. Would you like to install the device drivers? Always trust. Okay, let's trust him. Install. So as you can see here, the Mission Planner software is getting installed on one of the window, and on the other window there are driver softwares. Now there is one more driver. Would you like to install the device firmware? Okay, STM electronic, ST microelectronics. Go ahead and install. So this is going to take quite a while, guys. You got to be really patient. All right, now completing the device driver installation. So there are ton loads of drivers being installed. Can you see laser navigations and 3D robotics, Holy Bro, which is the GPS, Hex Technologies, Arduino, Ardu Pilot. All right, finish. Now let's see what happens here. Complete the Mission Planner setup wizard. Okay, now let's say click on the launch finish button. Finish. This is the terminal which is opening up. This is the program which runs at the background. Okay, good. It's opening up. If the installation is successful, it should open up. On the terminal you can see if there are any errors. Okay, Windows Defender Firewall has blocked some features of this app. So what you need to do, allow Mission Planner to communicate on these networks, private such as home or work network, public networks. Okay, you need to authenticate and allow your firewall. If you are behind the firewall, guys, this is important. You need to provide allow access. All right, now it looks like we have installed the Mission Planner successfully. So good. So do you wish to enable altitude, angle, airspace management data for more information, altitude, and okay, let's enable it. Let's go ahead and enable. These setups and configurations are very important. Okay, it's asking you to sign up. Mission Planner, angle, altitude. I don't think this is required for now. I'm just going ahead and closing it. All right, boom, there you go, guys. So our Mission Planner software is ready and installed. So till you see this particular screen behind you, which you can see behind me, guys, so how did we do that? Let's go step by step. We went to this site ardupilot.org, and let me just click home and show you once again. Okay, in the home button, in the home, you need to go to Mission Planner. Here click on the Mission Planner. In the Mission Planner, on the left hand side you can see install Mission Planner, and then you will see this particular window screen, installing Mission Planner for Windows. So download the latest Mission Planner install from here. Can you see the blue one? So you got to click here, and once you click that, obviously you will see you will download the exe file which is on my desktop. So this exe file, once it is downloaded, you got to double click this and follow the instruction what you see on the screen, on your screen. So basically it will ask you to install certain device drivers for Windows operating system and certain plugins and stuff like that. So allow. At the end it will ask for the security restrictions. If you are behind the firewall, I am obviously behind the firewall. I am sure most of you, if you are using the Wi-Fi connection, you need to click allow access. If you decline that, or by mistake if you close it, you will not be able to use this particular software, guys. So allow the access and start installing all the drivers, and till you see this particular window you have to let it run, right? In case if you go through any issues installing this particular software, you can reach out to me for a one-on-one. I will be happy to help you and guide you guys. It's not a big deal. So I'll help you one-on-one. So go ahead and install the software and keep things ready on your desktop. In the next lesson onwards, I will walk you through the systems and configurations. Those are very important lessons you got to. But unless until you keep this software installed and configured on your desktop, you will not be able to proceed with the next lesson. So make sure that you are ready with this. All right. See you soon. Goodbye.